Are you seeing the error, "No Instagram account is currently connected to the Facebook account"? Here's how to fix it. First, open the Facebook page that you want to connect to Schedly. From your Facebook page, click on Settings from the left sidebar. Then scroll down and click Linked Accounts. Choose Instagram from the available linked accounts. Click Connect Account to begin connecting your Instagram profile. Choose Instagram message settings and click Continue. Facebook will now ask you to log into Instagram. Click Connect Account and enter your Instagram login details. After logging in, confirm that you want to add this Instagram profile to your Facebook page. Review the information shown, and click Add to continue. Choose whether you want to sync your Instagram profile information with Facebook, and then click Confirm. Once you see the confirmation message, your Instagram account has been successfully connected. Now return to Schedly and open the Social Accounts page. Click Connect Profile under Instagram. Select the Facebook account that manages the Instagram page you just connected. Continue with the requested Facebook permissions. Your Facebook page and its connected Instagram account will now appear successfully inside Schedly.